In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz in Zoho Learn. We'll walk through the process from inside your course so you can build a clear, engaging assessment that fits your learning objectives. Start by opening Zoho Learn and heading to the course where you want the quiz to live. Once you are in the course, go to the Lessons tab. Click Add Lesson and give your lesson a concise, descriptive name so learners know exactly what to expect. Next, choose Add Content and select Quiz. This sets up a dedicated space for your assessment within the lesson. Now it's time to build your questions. Click Add a Question, then pick the format that best matches your objective. Single choice works well for straightforward knowledge checks with one correct answer. Multiple choice is great when more than one answer is correct. Fill in the blanks helps assess recall and terminology. And descriptive lets learners respond in their own words for reflection or deeper understanding. Customize each question by typing the prompt clearly and, where relevant, adding answer choices. Make sure to designate the correct answer, so Zoho Learn can score automatically. You can also enhance clarity by adding images, videos, or formatted text. Media can help illustrate scenarios, diagrams, or examples that make the question more meaningful and reduce ambiguity. Next, set custom feedback for correct and incorrect responses. This is an excellent way to guide learners in the moment. For correct answers, reinforce the key point or share a quick rationale. For incorrect answers, offer a concise hint or explain the misconception to help them improve on their next attempt. With your questions in place, configure the quiz settings, set a passing score that reflects the level of mastery you expect. Limit attempts if you want to encourage careful preparation or allow multiple tries for practice-based learning. If timing matters, enable a countdown timer to introduce time management and mimic real-world conditions. Turn on randomization to shuffle the order of questions for each attempt, which helps maintain fairness and reduces answer sharing. Finally, make use of question banks. Create a repository of reusable questions you can draw from across different courses and lessons. Organizing your questions by topic or difficulty saves time, improves consistency, and makes it easy to assemble new quizzes without starting from scratch. That's it. Thanks for watching.